Hi guys, it's Jamie. I'm back again with another video. Here at the Ultimate Back Store, we love to offer you amazing information on things that can help with your back care needs. And we have also started a new series of highlighting a product of the week. In the last video, I did it on the Verilight backrest. Awesome product. If you want to go check it out, just go look at our page. We do have it on there. But in addition to that one, I did want to highlight another favorite of mine, which is the Lifeform Executive Seat Cushion. So the executive seat cushion is very special in its ergonomic design because it actually helps correct your pelvic angle and sitting posture. So when you're sitting down, especially in a car, a lot of the time when you're sitting, there is a position that you're in that really messes with your back. For example, when you're sitting in that car, you kind of have that position where it's tilting down and it's just like, oh, this is not comfortable. Having this style of a seat is really going to help level that out, in addition to using a lumbar support to really give you that perfect posture. What I really love about this specific seat is it's made out of a memory foam material called Lifeform that is made by Lifeform themselves. This foam is pressure and temperature sensitive to conform to the body, and it actually is going to cut down the pressure on your sit bones by 50%, as opposed to just being in your normal seat. So you get immense pressure relief just from sitting on an amazing cushion. How great is that? When you are sitting on this, and then you get that pressure relief, your buttocks and your thighs are gonna have a lot less pressure than your normal seat. So if you've ever experienced anything with like the numbness in your legs, or if you have problems with just any issues with nerve ending damages or anything like that, it's really gonna help improve that feel when you're sitting in it in your car or in your regular seat. They're also awesome for office seating because, well, how often do we sit in our offices? All the time. How often are we uncomfortable? A lot of the time. So it's a great option for that as well. Another really cool thing I love about this seat specifically is when you unzip this back part here, you can actually take out this little wedge here, and it's going to offer you some extra benefits. So when you take that wedge out, you can't tell it's taken out, but when you sit down, your body can, because what it's doing is it's actually going to be suspending your tailbone as you're sitting on the seat. So in addition to getting that pressure support on your muscles and on your sit bones, you're going to get pressure relief on your spine. When we have any spinal injuries or we have anything in our life that's kind of like adding extra pressure to our tailbone, it can be very uncomfortable to sit for very long periods of time because of that extra gravitational push that is coming down onto our bodies. So having an option like this seat cushion here is going to help immensely in just alleviating any extra pressure and pain that you might experience. And then with all of our seating supports at the Ultimate Back Store, we do also offer a 10-day comfort guarantee. So if you come in and you get one and you're in this area, you can actually take it, you can try it for 10 days, and as long as it's in resellable condition, if it's not working for you, you can bring it back in and we could try something else, or we can just figure out a different solution for you. You're not stuck with that thing. But I will tell you, if you get this guy here, you will not want to bring it back because it is amazing. Another awesome thing I love about the Lifeform office and seating support is they come in two different styles. So you have the wedged version and you have the normal version. So with the wedged version, it's awesome for if you're a little bit shorter, it'll give you a little extra height in the driver's seat. Or if you kind of feel like you really are sinking into your seat a lot, it's going to even that out immensely. The regular one is just going to be good general support. So if you don't have an issue with that, but you are feeling a little extra pressure on your sit bones or on your buttocks, on your thighs, on your tailbone, that one's good just for the general support. If you would like to try it, come on in. We have a seat you can try it on. You can try it in your car. We'd love to help you. And if this isn't the one for you, we got a bunch of other ones which you'll see featured on our page later. If you love our videos and you want to just keep learning about things that can help with your back pain relief, make sure to press that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video is uploaded. We have 2 stores you can come in and visit, 903 Howe Avenue in Sacramento and 2700 East Bidwell in Folsom. We'd love to see you at either one, or you can give us a call. Follow us on Instagram for all the great new uploads that we have as well. All right, you guys, I'll see you later.